Assalamu alaikum, and thank you for taking the time to watch this demo. After the Motawer initiative was announced, I started thinking about what kind of project I could contribute, something that aligns with Kuwait's current priorities. I work in real estate, and through the AML workshops we've attended, I became more aware of the risks Kuwait is facing, including the possibility of being added to the grey list. That's what inspired this idea. This is just a small effort on my part to support the financial sector and hopefully help protect Kuwait's position and reputation in the future. So what will we see today is a working MVP. It's not the final product. And so we just built a simple AML tool that helps automate key compliance tasks like screening against sanctions lists, scoring risk levels, generating STR reports, and using AI to analyze transactions. It's designed to be practical, easy to use, simple to integrate with the systems and banks and compliance teams. But just a quick note that everything in the demo is demo data. This is just a prototype. It's not connected to live systems, but everything we can integrate it in the future with sanction lists and licensed data providers and connect to banks and compliance systems through secure APIs. We have two sections, AML check and AI check. So we'll just log in to see the system. Okay, now this is a customer risk scoring card. We can enter our name and our details. And the ID and the email. After this, we can just check there's a sanctions and data sources. We can select all the sources, or we can check them all and just check for specific ones, for example. But for this example, we'll check everything. So I'll just run a check risk. And here a card pops up with the details for my name and the country and the sector and notes and the risk level. So this is 85, high risk. We'll just check it again. Let's say this is another person, 36, and we can see different types of risk levels from low to medium to high. And then we can go down this list and we can see the country, the sector, date, and the notes. We can also generate the STR report. So let's check, for example, this client, for example, is from Nigeria and he has these notes on him. We can just write some notes from the note section, suspicious buying activity in real estate. And we can save it and we can also edit it. I will just save it again and generate the report after escalating to MLRO. So we can download with JSON, CSV, and PDF. We'll choose PDF for this example. After generating, we can see a header of the logo and the title and the customer details, account and transaction information, and also the suspicious transactions. This is the suspicious flagged transaction. The reason for suspicion, the case, the status, and the actions taken, and the compliance officer notes. And at the end, we have just a declaration section for the officer to sign and with a date to send it to the right department. So let's check AI check. This is an AI checker for financial transactions where we upload CSV files or Excel files. Let's upload this suspicious transactions file to check. So we press fraud check AI analysis, and we can open it to check our file after. So it's generating a report, it's checking the file, and it will generate and flag the suspicious activities and give recommendations. And now we can just cross-check the transaction that was flagged. So there was one on row 30, which matches. and gives us the reason. These are one of the 3 top transactions. And we'll just check the last suspicious one, which is on row 80. This is just suspicious transactions, and we can also download a PDF report for this as well, for the AI report. And this also gives the logo and the file name and the summary, the AI generated response, the findings, and flagged rows, and some sample suspicious transactions and the recommendations. And in the end, of course, we can also see the declaration, where the compliance officer can sign it and submit it easily without having to waste time checking manually and going through all the due process. Thank you very much. This was just AML Check, and thank you for listening. Bye-bye.